Hi everyone, this is Rachelle, and this is the project we're making today. I will be using a different type of handle, but you can definitely use any type of handle you prefer on this gift bag. And I think it's really sweet and I think it's really cute. Yeah, as you can see here, I don't know why there was glue and anyway, it doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and make this pretty bag. And you will need half a sheet of 12 by 12. So basically, you're going to take a piece of that measures 12 inches by 6 inches. And on the first, you're going to you're going to score at 2 inches. 5 7/8, 7 7/8, and 11 3/4. You're going to rotate that 90 degrees on the portrait side and score this at 2 inches. And this is all the scoring you will need for this bag. And as I said, you can use any type of handles for this. If you want to use a stars for a handle, you can. Circle, a scallop circle, ovals. If you want to leave the bag completely square like that and just add ribbon, you can do that as well. But let's go ahead. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to burnish and I'm going to score on all my score lines. I'm going to burnish and fold on my score lines. I went along and I cut these in and I wedged in the squares here, left these straight. At the same time that I am actually making this bag, I wanted your input really, because I was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator many years ago. I think it was in 2008 or 2009 I started, and I was in it for a few years. And I'm toying with the idea of joining again and make videos on the products. Now the reason that I'm not like kind of pushing it, because it's a multi-level marketing, and that's the thing that really bugs me on that. I stopped supporting multi-level marketing companies because of the way that they treat people and the way that they go about their business. To me, all multi-level marketing is a pyramid scheme of some sort. So I do love the Stampin' Up! Products. That's what bugs me. And I do have a lot of their stuff. I have bought quite a lot of stuff when I was a demonstrator, and I have bought stuff from demonstrators when I resigned because I couldn't keep up with the amount that I had to spend and all that stuff, because it can get quite costly. And to me, it's like, okay, well, I don't know, do I try it again? Because I love the product. I don't have any problem with the product itself. It's the pyramid scheme tactic. Like I really like their cardstock, because the cardstock is very is nice. It's a solid cardstock. The cardstock I'm using right now is from Michael's. I like it. It's not as heavy as the Stampin' Up! One, but yeah. So that is the box, guys. This is what it looks like, and the only thing that has changed is basically your handle. So you can make a handle like this. You can make a handle I'm thinking of the handle that I could put on this, but yeah, give me your thoughts. If I should become a demonstrator again and see how it goes and try it for maybe like 6 months. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and try to figure out what I want to do for the handles on this one. This is what I came up with. I decided to go simple so I can make the video not as long. Yeah, as I was discussing about the Stampin' Up, I am wondering if I should rejoin or not. And like, I do have their stuff. I do have quite a few punches and stuff. And I told myself when I uploaded this video that I would not, what's the word? Promote their products because I'm not a demonstrator. I buy from different sources. I buy from all sorts of media, and I was thinking about joining Stampin' Up to be able to kind of spread a bit of, you know, that with cardstock and embellishments and all the stuff that coordinates together. I'm usually good at picking colors, because this color that I stamped with is Blueberry Bushel from Stampin' Up, and this cardstock is from Michael's, and it matches exactly. So I'm really good at matching colors together and stuff. It's just that I don't know, if I'm going to use Stampin' Up, I might as well be a demonstrator because I'm using it in my videos. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I try it for another 6 months? Because before that, like in I think it was 2009 or early 2008, but I think it was 2009. I'm not sure. I've looked and I'm not 100% sure. And I was in Stampin' Up for quite a few years. My upline was the best upline I've ever had. I think she was amazing and fantastic. Unfortunately, she is not in Stampin' Up anymore. And I do have another upline that I'm thinking that is really great as well. She's amazing. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. I am stuck in that dilemma. I am like, do I try it again? Do I try it for at least 6 months? Because I know when I was a demonstrator back in 2009 or 2008, I had to buy a lot of my products. I didn't sell much. I did have a class though, which helped me a lot. I had a class with, we had a few women, and every month we would have a, like, everybody had their turn to be a hostess. So everybody had to put a minimum order of $25 in, and they would pick free stuff. So that really helped a lot, and I was part of it as well. So basically I would buy as well. Before that, the couple years before that, I think it was, yeah, I would say about maybe 2 years, I didn't sell a thing. I basically bought every quarterly that I had to, and in Canada it is $400, and that excludes tax and excludes shipping. So I don't remember the amount I had to spend every 3 months, but it was $400 plus tax plus shipping, and there was a discount of 20%. Well, the shipping is 10%, so basically, really, it's a discount of 10%, and it's not really a discount because we have here in where I'm at, it's 15% in tax. So I was, like I bought a lot of stuff. So I have a lot of stamp set. I have a lot of punches. I have a lot of retired designer paper that I still have. But let me know. I don't know. I'm still debating. So let me know. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.